scared of him anymore. They know that he's too weak to chase him. Now I notice the bunny. He's an outdoor cat, guys, so he loves being outdoor even if he's weak. He just wanted to stay here. Ayan. Kuha niya na yung attention niya. Kahit weak yan. He only got like days to live, guys. So, ba't pa namin siya pagbawalan na lumabas, diba? He's so weak na talaga. Gusto niya talaga dito sa labas, guys. Yan, mag-bird watching, bunny watching. Kung yan yung ikakasaya niya, guys, sino ba naman kami, diba? Ilan days na lang. Hindi namin masabi. Maybe couple of days, weeks, we don't know. Kasi naman ikulong namin siya sa loob. Yun pa yung kakamatay niya sa depression. Gagaling niya lang ng binigyan siya ng isang shot na chemo. So, yung immune system niya, weak na din yan. Pero, kawawa naman pag sa loob lang ng bahay for whole day, hindi namin siya ilalabas. At least dito may fresh air, tsaka may distraction siya.